Please like, subscribe, and share.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel Master Everything. In today's video, we'll be seeing how to edit in iMovie. Here to import all the videos and photos we need for the movie, we'll click on Import Media, select the things we need to add, and click on Import Selected. Then to edit this video, I'll have to drag it down here to the editing panel. Here we can zoom it with the trackpad and see it got zoom, or you can use this option here. Then the first thing we need to see is how to remove a part from the middle of the video. So for that I'll search the starting part of the part we need to remove. I'll select, double click and then split clip. Same thing here. We'll select where it ends, select and split clip. So now we have three clips, clip 1, clip 2, clip 3. We don't want the clip 2, so I'll delete it. So now we have a perfect video without the part which we had to remove. Now the second thing we can learn is how to add audio to your video. So to add audio, we'll go here to audio. Here are the effects. There are many default effects that come with MacBook iMovie. Here I'm going to select the ambient effect one. Then the same way I drag down the video, I'll add the sound here. So now sound has been added to a movie. Then if there's extra part like this here, we can crop the audio by clicking on the end of it and then dragging it to the left. So now the audio has been cropped. Now we can add titles to our video. Here we can use slide title, then split lower third. You can see the preview also. There are effects added on here, like this, then this. I'm going to the standard title. I'll select it and then drag it where I want it. If I want it in between of the video, like overlay, I'll keep it here, or else we can add it here in front part of the video. So now I got a separate tile for this title. Now I'll click here, I'll add my title. So now we have got title for our video. Here the title is very long, so I can crop it by clicking on its end and then bringing it in its front part. Now we can learn how to add transitions. It's very simple. First select these are the many types of transitions we have. I'll select this circle close, drag it down to the front part, and then same with the end. So now in the start we have got a circle close transition, same with the end. It will close with a circle. Then we have here crop option for the video. We can crop it. If we select Ken Burns, the video will zoom till here like this. Wait, I'll show it. It will get zoomed. So it's has been zoomed. Then we can use crop to fill or fit. These are three options. Then we can also rotate it like this. Then we have option for stability, which is called stabilization. If your video is not stable, then you can use this option to stabilize your video. Then we have color correction. In this, we can change the color of the video. And then if you don't want like this, I can click on reset. Then we have auto color, match color, white balance, skin tone balance, like this. Then we also have like this, we can match the color like this. Then we have speed also. If you want it fast, you can select fast, slow, normal, or we can customize also. Then we can reverse also the video. This much only for this tutorial. See you in the next. Thank you.